W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike here. Today, we are going to draw a kite. Are you ready? We don't need many basic lines and shapes to create this kite. No siree, Bob. Today, we're going to use an arc, a line, and a triangle. Are you ready to see how this all fits together? Come on, let's get started drawing. First, let's start with a line. We'll go right here, just like that. And then we'll do another line on the opposite side. And then another line. And make this line longer, just like that. And then we'll join these two together. Ready? Another line. Now we're going to make two more lines that are going to divide up this shape. So one will go from here and come down to the bottom, and then another will go across, just like that. Okay, so now we have our kite shape. That wasn't hard to do at all, was it? Now we're going to make the tail. The string that is on the back of the kite is called the tail. And sometimes they're ribbons, or sometimes they're bows. So first we'll make the string, and that will be an arc. So we'll start here and we'll make an arc like this. And then we're going to make an opposite arc going the other way so it looks like a wavy line. Ready? And then an opposite arc, just like that. Okay? So that's going to be our tail. Now we'll add bows, and the triangles will be the bows. So if we put a triangle pointing toward the middle, okay, we'll lay this like this. Looks like it's pointing toward the middle, and then on the opposite side we do the same thing, pointing toward the middle. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to repeat that and make a pattern going all the way down the string. Okay, so let's space them out. We'll make another triangle here, and then another triangle here, and then keep going. Now if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video at any time to catch up. Okay, and this is an interesting shape because once you get used to drawing it, you can change the way that you draw it. You don't have to draw two triangles. You could start here, come down, make your triangle, go across, and when you go up, you don't have to stop. You can actually go through and then make the other triangle. So now we're creating a different shape. We're creating a bow. So let's start here, come over, and you can actually we'll do it different this time. We'll go up, down, and then all the way across and connect it. Look at that. So we use the triangle, and now we've created a new shape, the bow. Okay, let's keep doing that. Let's try it again. Cross, down, over. Okay, you didn't know that you were going to learn how to make a bow. You thought you were just making triangles to make a bow. All right, and that finishes it off. Now look at this amazing kite that we drew together. What color are you going to make your kite? Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.